on the absorber installed incorrectly lah. Okay, so this are supposed to install at the back. Okay, and then this marking point tip would be sitting right here. Okay, so this we have to turn to the back. Okay, and then adjust correctly. Okay, and then the other one, facing correct. Okay, but sitting like this. It's supposed to be sit inside perfectly. Okay, which means it's not sitting all the way here. So this very poor mechanic. It's supposed to be sit right here, and then everything sit perfectly. Have to sit perfectly. Okay, so we have to adjust. This is a fan, and then all this wire cable and brake hose have to rearrange properly lah.